Hello and welcome back to the Hornby magazine workshop, where today we're featuring the brand new Signalbox which has just been installed on top to Dale. Now we've got a full feature on this model in the latest issue of Hornby magazine, that's issue 175, our January 2022 issue, where Dan Evasson goes through the process of building this Signalbox step by step, but we're taking it much beyond what's available in the box from this ratio kit. So added to that ratio kit for an LMS period Signalbox, we've also put all the latest Model U interior details inside. And Dan's also added interior lighting, plus the new Gagemaster Scenic Sounds line-side sounds module as well. So that means that this Signalbox has all the detail, it has the interior lighting, and it has a full suite of sounds installed as well. Now in this video we're going to showcase those functions here on top of the Dale with a few of the passing trains on a running session. To read the full feature, don't forget to check out issue 175, our January 2022 issue, or you can read the full feature right here on keymodelworld.com. I hope you enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby magazine workshop and this brief tour of the new Signalbox for top to Dale. Don't forget you can read the full feature in the latest issue of Hornby magazine, that's issue 175, our January 2022 issue, or right here on keymodelworld.com. Thank you for watching, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.